Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Sanskriti and today I am going to brief about how I lost 14 kgs of weight in a span of 60 days. So let's get into the story, and this video, a disclaimer before starting this video would be very raw. I would talk to you like a friend, like a acquaintance. So there is no need of bringing formality into this, right? So I will speak about my experiences, the ups and downs that I faced as an individual. I would like to say by being a fat individual in this so-called civilized society. So I am from Kolkata, I am from West Bengal, India. So growing up, I was a I don't have any script also here. I am speaking out of my mind only. So I would use Hindi as well as English for a better understanding of my audiences. So I thought that I need to share this because a lot of people face fat phobia, body shaming, a lot of other mental as well as physical issues, and they are very brave. I am very thankful to them, and I am very respectful towards them that they face a lot of challenges, much greater challenges than what I have faced, and they are very courageous enough to overcome from those challenges. So growing up, I was always a fat kid. I was always termed as that fat kid of the group. But academically, I was very strong. That's why few people might have, those so-called civilized people, they might have thought that let's keep her as a prop so that we can use her, emotionally exploit her, we can just body shame her. If they wouldn't get anything about, I know that now also I am very overweight, but I have come a long way in this 2 months. I have lost almost approximately 14 kgs of weight from 86 kg. Now I am 72 kgs, and my height is 5 feet 2 inches. So as I mentioned earlier, that let's be honest, that the amount of fat phobia that exists in this society, that is huge today also. You see in any countries, let it be like Asian countries or you say Western countries, everywhere the amount of fat phobia that we face is tremendous. No matter how much talented you are, no matter how much academically successful you are, no matter how much economically, financially stable you are, you need to fit into the certain body standard. Without that, you won't be recognized as a human. You would be treated as a subhuman, no matter what. And all of this I have not done because of the fact that I want to impress a certain section of the society. I want to just impress those assholes, but I have done this in order to just feel good about myself, to push myself into limits and break those limits and reach beyond. Okay, so currently I am a third year BA graduate student in one of the prestigious colleges of Kolkata. But other than that, I have my own identity also. So first of all, as I have mentioned earlier, there exists a huge amount of fat phobia in the society. If you are little bit fat, or if you are if you are not into certain beauty standard of the society, people will call you by names like ये तो मोटी है, और ये तो गेंडी है, और ये तो काली है, बदसूरत है, like this, no matter how much affected you are mentally, but they are gonna speak like that, and they are very proud of that. They are just making jokes, right? What big thing they are doing? They are only just making joke and insecuring someone up to certain level that would traumatize them, that would take their childhood away from them. So for myself, मेरे लिए, I have faced discrimination, bullying, calling out names from all sides, from my family, starting from my family to my family means not immediate family but extended relatives and all, and my peers in school, colleges, everywhere. And moreover, I am a introvert. I am a very introverted kid from the very childhood. So as I was not able to express myself, people easily took advantage of me, and they just body shamed me and fat shamed me. It's not about only fat, but it's about everything that you do in general. So it you become a easy target, you become a bully, right? Means you become a person who can be easily bullied, right? So, and all this started at a very young age, somewhere around, as far as I could remember, somewhere around when you are just entering into puberty or before that maybe. So it's a very very painful journey, and whenever just I try to remember all those things, I get very very emotional. Means I get so emotional, so emotional, so emotional that I don't want to remember those times that I was bullied, and even there were so-called friends. I don't know whether they are friends or not, but so-called friends who used to take photos of themselves and do not felt the need to just ask me one time also that would you like to take photo with us. No, because I was invisible, I was just invisible in front of everyone. So this led me into depression, anxiety, social anxiety, I would say. I was very scared of meeting new people, and maybe they didn't had the intention of body shaming me, but I got because of my age old years of trauma and dealing with depression and body weight issue. I face this trauma every time that I may get trolled because of the way I look or because of the weight that I have put on. So it was like unbelievable for me that why this is happening to me. I am not asking for anything, right? I am just asking for the basic human need to just express yourself, to just have good friends and good people surrounding you, and just be nicer to them. Nothing much, right? An ordinary human need. But that was not the case for me. I was literally I was bullied every time. And if they didn't had anything to speak about, अगर उन लोगों को लगता था कि इसके बारे में और कुछ नहीं हम निकाल सकते हैं, तो they used to talk about my weight. So that was like ridiculous for me. And all of you know, right, we live in a patriarchal society. So boys used to make comments, they used to call me by names, no one used to just listen to me. All this means you can understand, right? Although for myself I have never craved for male attention or male validation, but living in a patriarchal misogynist society, all these things are very common, right? I can remember of an incident. So my weight loss journey, it started from October, somewhere around mid-October, okay? And now it's December, right? So it was like not mid, before means 10 or 11th October, like that. And I was not prepared for it. I even don't knew that मेरे को नहीं पता था कि I would start my weight loss by this October. So I just went for, I can remember the day before that, it is so painful to express. I can't just tell all those stories without having tears dropping from my eyes, because it is very painful, the amount of trauma that I have went through, right from childhood to adolescence to now also. I am 21. So I can remember the day before I started weight loss, relatives came into my house. My cousins and other relatives, they came into my house, and we were having a good family time. And I ate a lot that day, as far as I could remember. I ate a lot, from biryani to fried items to a lot of chocolate and strawberry ice creams. I ate a lot that day. And the next day I woke up and I went outside for some pandal hopping. Here Durga Puja is very famous, so in Bengal, so we went for some pandal hopping, and they had some kind of stairs, okay, for the means in order to get into that pandal. So I just was not able to, means I was 86, I had breathlessness, I had anxiety, I had social anxiety, all sort of problems. I was not able to get into that stairs. And as I was not able to get into that stairs, I was feeling ashamed of how I just, you know, looked and all that, those stuffs. So I came back home, and from the right day, I decided that no matter what, no matter how far the society can go, no matter how much difficulty I face emotionally and physically, I will start my weight loss journey. And from that day, I started no sugar, taking no sugar, no outside food, no junk food, no processed food, and I limited my food items to the home cooked food only, and myself to some sort of like green vegetables, green fruit, fresh fruits and salads, everything. And within means it was a surprise. I couldn't even imagine how much impact it brought into my physical, the way I look and all. My weight suddenly dropped from 86 kg to 82 kgs within 7 days. I got huge amount of motivation from that कि मेरे को तो अब करना ही है मतलब करना ही है. I continued my diet. I went to family trips, family, all those things. I went to events. I went to college also. I maintained my diet. I maintained my low calorie diet and intermittent fasting. And within 60 days, weight started dropping from slowly from 4 kgs to 8 kgs, 10 kgs, 12 kgs, 14 kgs. And by now, within 60 days, I have lost 14 kgs of weight. And I am not only concerned about the way I look, but the way I mentally feel. I am a very, very positive individual now. I can face the world, I can face anyone, no matter who stands in front of me, I can face anyone literally. And this amount of confidence and positivity, spiritually, mentally, physically, I have got only from my weight loss. And I will not stop here. Miles to go for sure, for me definitely. And my ideal goal is 52 kgs, and I will reach it. I will definitely reach to 52 kgs. I am very hopeful about that. Please pray for me and wish me good luck. And for all those wonderful ladies, all those wonderful men and women who are thinking that you are subhuman, you are lesser than anybody, believe me, you are not. Believe me, you are not. You are capable of doing anything and everything. Just believe in yourself. Just believe in 3Ds: determination to achieve something, dedication, discipline, and you will reach there. No matter what the asshole society comments to you, don't listen to them. Don't listen to them. Because it's your life, and you are the only person who can change your life. So definitely you can reach your point, your goal, no matter what. And it's not only about weight loss, it's about how you think, how you are as a person. When I was 86, that was not myself. I couldn't recognize myself. I used to eat a lot of junk, I went into depression and anxiety because of my weight, because of the way I look. And then I started to indulge myself into carbs, into junk, into processed things, which would in turn lead my weight to gain more. But now, as of now, I have stopped all those things, and I am a better human now. And those people who used to bully me, those people who used to take bad names about me, they are still there. I am not going to say that they have completely changed themselves. No, nothing like that. They have not changed themselves, but few of them have definitely regretted, and not in a direct way, but in a very indirect way. But I have realized that much of brain I have, right? So I have realized that. So I don't care what other people think of me at this point of time. I just only care about myself. And for all those wonderful men and women, I am pleading to you, please look into yourself and please improve yourself. It's not healthy to stay in a obese body. It's not healthy. I have also stayed in a obese body. I know how bad it feels, how drenched you are both physically and mentally. So please get out of that trap, and you deserve a better life. You deserve a life full of joy, full of mental peace, full of uh, emotional peace, stability. You are a wonderful, beautiful human. And as physically also, I would like to say that as I have lost a significant amount of weight, I have seen clear difference in my skin quality. My skin have got better, brighter. My hairs have also got better, brighter and shiny, and the quality texture have also improved, and my mood have also improved. So, and my features, previously I used to have a very rounded face, very face full of face fat and chubby cheeks and double chins and all, but now my face have been turning into a square shape. Not completely, definitely when I will lose 20 kgs more it would be much more prominent, but it's amazing, it's just amazing how it have turned into. So मैं यही गुजारिश करती हूँ कि all those people, आप जो कुछ कोई भी है मेरे वीडियो देख रहे हैं, प्लीज़ फोकस ऑन योरसेल्फ, प्लीज़ फोकस ऑन योरसेल्फ. Don't listen to this shitty society. This shitty society is not will remain like this only. Society act on a very superficial level. If you don't look a means certain way, they will think that you are subhuman. Specifically, this is so true. So please work on yourself. And for my transformation, although I am a female, I would give thanks to Chat Tag. Chat Tag have been really motivational for me. I have seen all his contents, and he have really transformed me, my mindset. So I have mentioned him in Instagram also, that Chat Tag have been beneficial for me. Although he talks about black pill and all, and Hamza, all those means black pillar YouTubers, they all of them are very useful for me. Although they talk about a very patriarchal concept, but it is okay, because society act like this. No, how can we change the society? We have to change ourselves. And those who are thinking that you guys are means happy with yourself, you are living a healthy life, healthy you are having healthy friend circle and all, for those, that is means I am so much happy for you guys that you have finally made into the society, or you have finally found peace out of yourself. I am very happy. Please don't change yourself. But for those who are dealing with this overweight issue, anxiety, depression, social anxiety, please work on yourself, please, and you will be able to achieve the best physique. You would be the most aesthetically pleasing person, believe me. Thank you for today. I will meet you in another video.